What's up, y'all? It's your favorite nail tech cousin, and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, I'm Breezy, and I curate content to help beginners, DIYers, and experienced nail techs level up their nail game with real tips, real techniques, and real results. As you can tell by the title, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved the duck nail shape. This hack not only helped me save time, but has taken the hassle out of shaping for me. With that being said, let's lock in. Before we get started, let's go over needed supplies. The first thing being your canvas. I'm using a practice hand. You can use a practice hand as well, your cousin, a client, your mom, that is your preference. Half moon nail tips. These are what we're going to be using to create a guide for the duck nail. Straight edge scissors to cut down the length of the nail tips. Also, I didn't show them in the beginning, but nail glue and hand files are needed as well. Moving on to cutting down the length of the nail tips, you are essentially choosing how long or short you would like the nail set to be and cutting the nail tip accordingly. I'm going for more of a medium look. You can cut them down to whichever length you like. I also am eyeballing. I've done this so many times, so I know exactly where to cut the nail tips in order for all of them to be the same length. When starting out, to keep the nail tips relatively the same size, I'll put the previously cut nail tip onto the one that hasn't been cut yet, and I'll use the pre-cut one as a guide. I did this a few times until I got a feel for where to cut for each length. When applying the nail tips, everything will be the exact same as if you're doing any other nail shape and you're applying nail tips. Apply nail glue to the nail plate and apply your newly cut duck nail tips onto the nail glue. I do recommend being careful if you're doing a short to medium length. It can be a bit weird gripping the nail tip to place onto the glue since it's short. You don't want the nail tip to be crooked. From start to finish, using this hack has taken me about 5 minutes compared to actually shaping. I say that is a time saver. This is how it should look once you are done. That concludes this video. I really hope that this simple but quick hack helped you and you were able to apply it to your routine. If it did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. As always, any products/tools used can be found in my Amazon storefront under my Linktree, which can be found in the description of this video. I've either used or currently use every item that is listed, by the way. So if you'd like to try any of them, run to the description and it will be there waiting for you. If you haven't already, be sure to hit that bell so you never miss any time that I post. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video.